Yo, let's talk about one of my favorite blank t-shirts at the moment. What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today we're going to be talking all about the AS Color Heavy Fade t-shirt. Now, let me start this video off by saying this was a t-shirt that I was against for a long time. And the only reason I was against it was because I didn't have the customers for it. But now this is one of my top selling blank t-shirts to use and print on. And I actually like wearing it too. I'm wearing it right here. This is the AS Color Heavy Fade shirt in the colorway Coal. Kind of like a faded black, almost dark charcoal. But one of the main reasons I like wearing it is because it matches these Air Max 95 Nike SBs. This color right here is basically the same color that I'm wearing right here. So this t-shirt matches 95s perfectly. As you guys know, this is my favorite sneaker, the Air Max 95. And when I find a shirt that matches it, you already know I'm gonna be wearing it all the time. But outside of just matching my sneakers, this t-shirt washes well. I've washed this shirt well over 25 times. And I actually prefer it to be a little bit more washed and worn in because I feel it fits better. That's just my own personal opinion though. But what my customers like about this t-shirt is it has that vintage look. Kind of that oversized, boxier cut, that vintage weathered, faded look. And the colorways AS Color offers is the exact colorways that my customers and clients love. I'm pretty simple and basic, so I stick with this colorway of shirt, but they have a bunch of dope color offerings. So if you or your brand or your business was in the market for that oversized, heavyweight, faded, vintage look, this t-shirt is top tier. I like heavyweight t-shirts, but I hate when it's a rough heavyweight t-shirt. This t-shirt is still soft to the touch while being heavyweight. The collar fits me cool, the drop on the shoulders, and the sleeves fit me cool. Not too big, not too long, not too baggy. I'm wearing an extra large, but for comparison, I'll show you what a brand new t-shirt looks like while it's worn, then also give you a look at what this one looks like after it's been washed a bunch of times. Like I said, I prefer it to be like this, where it's a little bit more worn in, washed a bunch of times, adds to that faded look almost without losing its color. But the overall shape of the t-shirt is what I prefer. So let me scoot the camera back so then you can get a full body view, so then we can actually check this thing out. All right, we got the lights on now. This is what this t-shirt looks like right here. I'm wearing a size extra large. Back view, side view, front view. The sleeves on this thing are perfect. They don't go past my elbow. I'm not a fan of the sleeves going past the elbow, but they're just loose enough and baggy enough. This is what my belly looks like in this thing. This shirt's been worn for the last 5 months maybe and washed over 20-25 times. Like I said, very comfortable to wear. Here's what it looks like around the neck. Now let me show you what the brand new t-shirt right here looks like on. Here's the brand new one. Here's the tag, just so you can see. AS Color Heavy Fade shirt. Let me throw this one on so you can check it out. All right, and here is the brand new one. Extra large. As you can see, the sleeves right above the elbow. Back, side, front. Close-up of the collar. This is the brand new AS Color Heavy Fade shirt. This is what it looks like. This is how it fits. I'm wearing an extra large. There it is right here. Here's the old one that's been washed a bunch of times. No tag because I ripped it out. These are removable tags, by the way. And this is the brand new one. What it looks like right out of the packaging. This is what it's gonna fit like, so you could compare how much it shrinks, what it looks like after a brand new one versus the one that's been worn a bunch of times and washed a bunch of times. There's not that much shrinkage going on. To me, I prefer after it's been washed because it just feels a little bit more worn in, and I don't mind that look. But here it is. All right. Boom, and there you have it. That's the AS Color Heavy Fade shirt. You got a good look at what a brand new t-shirt looks like while it's being worn. You got a good look at what an old t-shirt that's been washed a bunch of times and worn a bunch of times, what it looks like to be worn. For size reference, I'm about 220 pounds. I'm about 5'10". I carry a lot of my weight in my stomach. and I'm about a medium build. So to me, this shirt fits me in all the right places where it's comfortable. The look is trendy. The collar isn't flopped up like a turtleneck. I don't know if you ever seen those other t-shirts where it's kind of the same style, but the collar's a lot bigger. I got a fat neck, so I hate when the collar starts to fold up like I'm wearing some sort of like a low top turtleneck. That's not the look I'm going for. This collar still lays down around my neck, and it's still soft enough to wear throughout the summer because this cotton feels good. I'm not trying to sell you guys on anything. This is just something that I've been into wearing lately as just a blank t-shirt, but I noticed that my clients are now starting to request this t-shirt, especially when they see all the different colorways that are offered, because they like the fit and feel also. And it's hard to keep in my retail store because every time I print on them, these things sell out quick fast. Like I said, I'm wearing a size extra large. I could go back and forth between extra large and 2X and regular t-shirts, but in this heavy fade shirt, extra large fits me perfect. Fits me good, brand new, and it fits me right after I wash it. So if you wanted to check it out for yourself, make sure you go to AS Color. I'll leave the link for you guys in the description box. They don't pay me to make this video. I'm just sharing something that I like to wear and I've been wearing lately, and I feel like it's a good option for anybody's business. So if you haven't already, make sure you sign up with AS Color. Create a wholesale account, check out everything they got to offer, because I think personally they got the best blanks in the business when it comes to everything. Stuff like this, more fitted t-shirts, more of a classic style t-shirt, different prints, stripes, a crazy catalog when it comes to just color offerings. Everything from t-shirts, tank tops, to hoodies, crew necks, sweats, bags, aprons, you name it, they got it. Women's, kids, they got everybody covered. So when I say they got SKUs for days, they have SKUs for days on their site. So check it out. There's a little bit of everything for somebody out there. If you got any questions about anything I talked about or shown in this video, please leave it for me in the comments. I see those way faster than I see any DMs or any private messages. And if you wanted to, follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.